What's up, guys? Dr. Drew here at Forza Chiropractic. Welcome to our clinic. Today I'm going to show you around a little bit. It's the front area. You might see Noe in the back. She's our assistant office manager. Let's go to our first room here. Boom. This is our decompression spinal traction machine room here. You guys are going to love this machine. It goes up and down your back like a hill. We do this for 10 minutes every time you come in. Awesome job. Take a look at, say hello to Aaliyah. She's one of our PT techs here. You guys are going to see her if you haven't seen her on YouTube or Instagram. Make sure you check some of those videos out. Hit that like, subscribe button as you're watching this. This is our therapy room. We have two back to back. This is where we're going to do your trigger point, your stretching, your foam rolling, all that stuff, strength and conditioning as well. We'll take you back into my office here. This is where everything happens. Just like this, you guys are going to see. Got my desk. Got our big TV, which we put all of our YouTube videos on for you guys to see. And then obviously we have our table here for you guys to get adjusted. So you guys are gonna see my family all around the clinic, from my wife to my kids, all that stuff. This is also our x-ray machine room here. State-of-the-art digital hospital-grade x-rays, which allow us to see exactly structurally what's going on with the spine. If you guys are suffering from headaches, neck pain, migraines, anything like that, lower back pain, hit us up. Make sure you tag us, like us, subscribe. We'll see you guys next video.